All right, so it's the morning after the treatment, and I'm not sure if she's eaten. Our water level is pretty close to the same. It might be lower. Now, so it's better than nothing. If she hasn't eaten anything by tomorrow, I mean, she hasn't eaten anything in 3 days. So, all right, let's hope for a better tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna be gone all day, so I'll be back tonight. Probably check on her, and then we'll see what's going on tomorrow morning. But went ahead and sprayed a little bit with the Bannex. We'll see what happens.